Good morning. Not a bad view to wake up to, huh? Gotta love that living room view. Oh man, my screen is a mess. I don't know if you can see that. Oh yeah, you can see it on camera. I gotta wash that, all the rain spots and dust and everything that's collected on it. It's a job for me to do today. Uma in her usual position. So yeah, I ended up going to Revelstoke on Monday. Get groceries, go to the dump station, see the doctor, of course. And yeah, I had nothing better to do. I went to my daughter's, had a real shower, which was nice. And yeah, didn't know where to go, so I ended up back here again. Why not? It's free. It's got a view like this. I love when the clouds are like that coming off the mountain. So cool. Yeah, looks like it's going to be a good day. Had a fair amount of rain, or it's been raining every day kind of thing for 5 or 10 minutes, but it's been cloudy. So yeah, sun's out. I'm putting the solar out and maybe taking Miss U for a WALK. So other than this place being free, another thing I love about it is it's so quiet and peaceful all the time. Never have a lot of campers coming along. There's no cell service here, so that helps. And yeah, I just like it. All the other big rigs seem to be parked down the road there, which is fine with me. They're leaving me to have this place all to myself. I don't understand with this view. My goodness. Who wouldn't want this place? But yeah, I just feel like, what's the word for it? Defeated with traveling, I guess, is what to say. It's just frustrating all around with everything going on. I need to just get it out of my head and get on the road and do stuff. I have to be in Vernon in August, I think it is. But yeah, I need to get on the road. I need to get this funk out of my head. That's for sure. So hopefully getting the inside of the van clean. I could clean the dash the other week and put the new backsplash up. That was nice. I really like that backsplash. But yeah, now cleaning this thing. Just trying to get all the dirt off it. I'm trying to get all the dirt out of my head and just continue on with life. Hopefully that dries as clean as it looks. That looks way better. And yeah, Uma's met a bunch of dogs here that she's been playing with. And funny enough, she's been playing pretty hard and she hasn't limped at all. The vet even called to ask how she was doing, if I considered the surgery yet. And I'm really kind of contemplating it because it just seems silly from what I read online that she's going to end up with arthritis regardless, as well as once they get one knee done for the ACL, a year later they're going to have to get the other one done because they're going to favor that leg for months at a time and they're going to strain it. So it's just all around frustrating. And all right, I think I'll let that dry for a minute or two, but holy cow, look how dirty the water is. Just from that screen. Hopefully it stays as clean looking as it does right now. Might have to give it another rinse, but it looks way better than it was. Holy cow. That was embarrassing to show. All right, I think it's time to take little Miss U for a W. She's enjoying the sun over there. The screen even looks way better from inside. You can barely even see it. God, I love that view. Damn. Anyhow, let's see what. Oh, nice. Look at those numbers. 13 and 14 amps going into the batteries. Off of solar. I like it. Those are good numbers. I'll be charged up in no time today. I love not running the engine on this thing and having those solar panels. I think those were one of the best things that I've gotten over the years. It's one of my definitely one of my favorite things that I use in the van on a daily basis as long as it's sunny. Yeah, I love having those things. I love getting free power. Free power is awesome. All right, gotta do some dishes, and then we're taking Uma for a walk. Another thing I love about BC is the cool mornings, even the cool days. In Revelstoke here, where you're up in the elevation, you're even higher here because you're just going up and up past the Revelstoke Dam to come up here, so you're a little higher elevation. But it always seems like it's 4 degrees cooler Celsius than it is in town. So I'll take that. In Ontario, you can go suck it with your humid weather. I used to hate waking up and it already being hot, and it's just going to get hotter throughout the day. These are perfect temperatures for me. So yeah, I love this stuff. I love BC. You like BC, Uma? You want to go for a walk? Yes, you do. All right, let's go. Uma, come here. Hi, guys. Cute little waterfall. Guys. I don't know if I mentioned it yet, but I found out that this road used to be part of the Big Bend Highway. Before they put the dam in, this road used to go down into the valley where the water is now and up through hills and stuff. So yeah, that's cool. That was my thought that that's what it was. So yeah. How picturesque is that? What a view. Nice that Uma has a friend to play with here. Puts a smile on her face, as you can see. You happy, Uma? Yes, you are. He's a good girl. All right, let's see how the screen looks dry, if it's still all dirty or if it looks actually clean. I found that cleaning it with a rag on both sides works a lot better than no. Yeah, it looks good. All right, I think I'm gonna get the lawn chair out and chill for a little bit. Check what I have for food. Okay. Chicken time. In there, I think I'm gonna have some buttered chicken tonight. It's a jar of sauce for the buttered chicken, but hey, it's better than nothing. It's still good. I still love that stuff with naan bread and rice and everything. Yum. I did forget to buy cauliflower though. Damn. Got to put the chair in last night. It started raining at like 10 o'clock last night. I'm glad I did it before I went to bed because my chair would have been soaked this morning. So yeah, that would have been unfortunate. I love sitting outside. Sit outside a lot in the morning, have my morning coffee, and do my play my games. I like to play solitaire and Sudoku and do crosswords, and then I'm good to go for the day. I did it inside this morning just because it was a little chilly actually this morning. So Uma and I hung out inside. How you doing, girl? Did you have a good walk with Miller? Yeah. Alright, time to play some games. What do you guys do in your spare time? Do you play games online or on your phone? Or what do you do? Well, that was rather rude and inconvenient. My Starlink just died, just decided to stop working. I guess I'm going to pack up and head back to Revelstoke to my daughter's to try and troubleshoot it. I tried a different 12-volt cable. I got it plugged into the AC on the Blue Eddy right now. The router hooks up, but it's not connecting to any dishes. I wonder if there's like a Starlink outage or something. I don't know. That's why I'm leaving it on the longest to see, but the dish feels like it's getting a little hot. So yeah, I am packing up right now to head back to Revelstoke. So while I was on my way to Revelstoke, you're basically in town by the time you have service again. So I decided I'd go there for a shower anyway. But yeah, Starlink was down worldwide. So it wasn't my Starlink was fried. Woohoo! So I just had a shower and I came back to the campsite. Yeah, I was back in an hour maybe. So that was nice. And Starlink's back up again and running. Yeah, we're good to go. I think I might have cut up too much chicken. The whole pan full of chicken for one little jar of sauce. You shall see. Well, that looks way better. I was surprised by that little jar of sauce and all that chicken. It looks fine. Nice. As you can see, I got the back door open and the side door, just so it doesn't smell of curry all night. Although it might smell of curry all night. A little bit of rice. A whole lot of buttered chicken. And some naan bread. Nice. Look at that. I like it. Oh, I have a feeling I'm going to burn the roof of my mouth. Yum. That's good. Uma's not getting any leftovers. She wasn't a good girl earlier. There were a bunch of dogs here, and the neighbor's dog got in between me and her. She does not like that. And she attacked the dog, and the hound dog attacked back. So she got put on a timeout, and she ain't getting any treats or anything for the rest of the day. Shithead. Well, not as distracted as I was yesterday. Holy cow, how many jobs did I do before I took Uma for a walk? That was brutal. But yeah, looks like it's going to be a little bit of a wet, rainy weekend. That's okay. I can handle it. And Uma, can you handle it? Are you going to be okay with that? Probably not. But yeah, just going to hang out here for the weekend and really try and figure out what to do for my travel plans. This is just brutal. I can't believe I haven't done anything. So yeah, just taking for a walk, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care, guys.